Looks like we're alive, people. Big day. Big day. 300 subscribers special. Alright, we got some AI conversation happening. It looks like there was a wise owl named Horse. Horse was known throughout the forest as the wisest creature around, and creatures from near and far would seek his counsel on all manner of problems. One sunny morning, a rabbit named Rufus hopped up to Horace's tree stump perch with a worried expression on his face. "Oh, wise one," he said, "I have been courting the most beautiful and wonderful bunny I've ever seen, but she has given me an impossible task." Horace cocked his head thoughtfully and asked, "And what is this arduous task, my furry friend?" Rufus took a deep breath. "She says that in order to win her heart, I must find the rarest flower in all the forest, the fleur-de-lis." Horace scratched his beak thoughtfully. Hmm. Never heard of such a flower before. It seems like quite the challenge indeed, but fear not, Rufus. I shall use my vast storehouse of knowledge and wisdom to aid you with your request. With that, Horace closed his wise old eyes and fell silent for what seemed like hours. Finally, he opened them again and spoke slowly. "The Florida leaves blooms but once every 100 years on the night of the blood moon." "But that's only 2 more moons away." Horace nodded sagely. "Indeed, it's near. I have one. He paused for himself. You must ask the wiser." What? Okay, let's get some continue action going. I mean, this is incredible. This is better than ChatGPT can do. Alright, in the meantime, alright guys, this is my first ever text to video with the new Stable Diffusion video. So, looks like it's taken some amount of time. Queued up, okay. Alright, wait, let me see if I can upload a video too while I got all this going on. Create, upload video. Hey, tech friend. Yo, thanks for showing up, tech friend. Shout out to tech friend. I don't know if I'm at 300 subscribers yet. Um, but yeah, I'm chilling right here. Okay. What was I doing? I have this thing. Alright, this is an AI video. I don't even know. This is kind of like a low-key song. Force Ogs. Stir. I really hope it doesn't crash my freaking Wi-Fi that I'm trying to upload this 4K video and alright, this is a good one. Alright. That'll take a long time. Alright, here's what our video is. Okay. Okay. Alright, so that's pretty cool, I guess. But it's kind of like I wanted the car to be moving, not the camera. So, oh no. Oh no, I have to pause this. No. Okay. Alright, so you can't upload a video and stream at the same time. Moral learned. Okay. So, oh no. Okay, cool. I think we should be. It says excellent connection. It says stream's healthy. All right. So how's this story going over here? All right. Rufus thanked Horse his heart knew he would be no easy task. And it's another wise creature to give up their time and expertise for him, but he was determined not to fail. And so began Rufus's thrilling adventure filled with danger, intrigue, and wisdom of many forest friends who, one by one, agreed to help the brave little rabbit on his quest for true love. Continue. 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 Okay. Why don't you just keep on going? Alright, let's. Come on. Continue. Continue. Okay. So. Alright. What? I don't know why I decided to stop telling the story. It kind of really teased me there. Let's see if I just continue it like this. Does it continue writing the story? Alright. Continue the story. Alright. This is another stable video. Let's see. 300 subscriber special. Yep, that's today. Alright. Functional program. So I have all these async functions, right? These are all the different ways to make content. So make a button. Okay. Okay. Okay, we've got button maker, which just creates the footer, which is really just part of the post content, right? Activating content is all different stuff. So load content actually is the actual thing. Yeah, button maker is just a part of this, so yeah, that makes sense. Okay. So basically the only actual code is down here, right? Because content. Alright, so if I wrote good code, what I should be able to do is take basically all of this and everything below it. I should be able to take all of this. Except the trouble is that this thing uses a bunch of the functions, so you can't use ENS name inside of another thing. So what about this thing? All you need is a signer, form contract. Oh, but you have to have all those imported stuff. So whereas this seems like pretty the run-of-the-mill replaceable thing, right? As far as I know, just sets up some HTML. So Yeah, there's definitely room to improve this stuff. Okay, so display content, load content, and activate content are all not great. Okay. Display content. Yeah, so the other things all import that thing, so it's really not that. So does now I don't think this stuff is I think hmm okay, wait. So we want async function fetch replies. You see, but this thing calls something from the other stuff, so hmm. And this thing would look like an ethers type thing. So really, uh, we're really pretty well functionalized, other than button maker. We could probably move this to helpers, right? Control C. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. Button maker. Don't test in production, kiddos. No one uses my app anyway. No one's even watching this video right now. Index.html. I don't know. I want it to be in helpers. Helpers, 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 helpers. Okay. Um, export async function. What is it? Button maker. That's what they're calling this. All right. So let's call it that, and let's call it that, and let's see if this works. Shift F5. Oh, we did have buttons look like they were made. Okay. Okay, I think we worked. I think it worked. Because what does this actually do? All it does is just create a footer, right? Just creates a footer. Nothing more, nothing less. Alrighty. Okay. So I mean, does yes, new ethers, so it need to import ethers. Yeah, okay, that makes sense. What the stuff at the bottom? Yeah, this few hundred lines is kind of a lot. Fetch tags, right? Contract object. Dot filters. See, I think that's something that's going to require ethers. .js. Right as I understand it, this stuff is all stuff that doesn't involve ethers.js. So, except for this, provider.lookup address. Okay, so, uh, you know what? Let's just try with this fetch replies thing. Let's just see what happens if we do the same exact thing that we just did. Control C into this, okay, and then Control V into this, except it is now export, oops, export async function fetch replies, okay, takes all that in. Okay, and then you say fetch replies from helpers, and for some reason it's not going to work, I assume. Fetch replies. Alright, let's see if this works. Oh, it still works, it looks like. What if I run this? Is it accurate? Hmm. Hmm. Or does fetch replies throw an error if I try to run? Okay. It still seems to work. Okay. Alright. Hmm. Alright, well that's good. So fetch tags should also work then. Okay. Export async. Mads, come on. Alright, here we go. Shift F5. Hopefully the tags still work. They do. Noise. Noise, noise, noise. Okay. Even though I never did this. Okay. You know what? Let me see if this is working in let's see if it works in Opera. Connect. Cool. As I understand it, to the best of my knowledge, the site is still up and running. Okay. Okay, so hmm. Hmm. Oh wait. Okay. Which one of these runs first? Display content runs first. Okay, let's see if we can do it without load content. Boom. Move this into helpers. Export. Async function load content. Save that. And then we export. Import it over here. What was it called? Load content. Load content. Okay. Nope. Invalid big providers not defined at helpers 185. Helpers 185. Provider. Okay. Then we go to the one spot in here. Load. Okay. Okay. Ooh. Kill him. Here we go. All right. Here we go. Here we go. Satellite radio. Rating. Okay. Cool. All right. Functional programming at its finest. Here we go. So now we've simplified our code down like a few hundred lines of code now, which is good. So you've got activate content, and you've got this thing right here too. Okay, so display content is apparently not asynchronous. So I'll have to change display content to an async and then say await display content provider posts. Okay, here we go. And what does this part at the bottom actually do? I forgot. Oh, it activates the reply buttons. All right. So we got this thing, right? Da, 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 da. Okay. So copy, boom, helpers. Okay. Um, export async function display content provider da da da. Okay. Then index here. We've got await await display content await display content display content. Okay, wait. Okay. Uh, yeah, and then we also gotta go display content. Okay, now let's save it. Shift F5. Oh no. Display content. What? Yes, we do. Oh no. Okay. Wait. Shift F5. Ether is not defined at helpers 230. Ethers. Okay. So really, we want to be passing the contract object instead to it? I assume that's what's going on here. Right? We can... So... So the display content, it's like, oh... We actually want to... Okay. Alright, well, you know what? Alright, we just messed this up. Okay. Display content. Okay. Wait. Activate content. Display content function. Bring it all back. Okay, get rid of it here. And then get rid of the await. The await display content. Alright, and then let's hit Shift F5. And here we are. Alright. We are chilling now. Okay. Alright. Shift F5. Okay, cool. Alrighty. What about activate content? It does seem like it could be pretty asynchronous, doesn't it? Okay, let's literally just get rid of it. Then let's go here and let's go here and export async function, activate content. Move this up here. Content. Okay. And did we get rid of it here? Okay, let's just see if this works then. Let's literally just see if something works or something not. I have an export named export. It does too. It does too. So we just have to save this, save this, save this, save this, F5. And boom. Check it out, dog. Check it out. Fully functioning. Here we go. Alright, so now we're down to just 200 lines of code, which is way more efficient. Okay. Okay, so I guess I need to change things to the contract object. Alright. So that way I can just make this even more modular. This JavaScript code's getting pretty long though. Alright, let's see if let's go right here and say export. Okay, wait, you know what? Let's just go right here and export await async. Export async function. Enable replies. Okay. And then I go into helpers. Enable replies. Save this. And we just go right here. Enable replies. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, let's see if this works. Shift F5. Okay. So, the real test is here. And it failed. Ethers not defined at helpers. JS 264. 264 and 349. You know what? I'm gonna go with wait, what did it say? Says at helpers 249 and or 349. 349. A contract object doesn't know what ethers is. So we're supposed to pass the contract object to them. Alright. Alright. Well, we got a pretty unoffensive here. Let's here we go. Yep. Okay. Huh. What if I wait, what if I do this? Okay, cool. That's the way it's supposed to work. Cool, cool, cool. Alrighty, so okay, so both of these kind of failed because we didn't get a contract object. Seems like. Let me see. So. So both of them have this new ethers. Okay. Okay, so the if else statement has this new ethers.js thing. But it seems like that's a waste because So really this activation so should be, so actually this thing should be inside of display content if you think about it, because it's like, because it's part of the display, right? Display content, okay. Yeah, so instead of a provider, display content should take a contract object. So, um, display, okay, and display content should also, okay. ID, right. Boom. Good document. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. And so technically is part of this thing. Then there's that thing. Okay. So let's save this and see if it still works. Seems to. But this doesn't work. Oh no. Okay. Well. Yep. There's not defined at 264 helpers 264. Uh, so our activation of the content is broken right now. Okay, so what we need to do is pass instead of the provider, we need to pass the contract object to stuff. Okay, so where it says in index.2 activate content, So we only call that once, right? So activate content signer. Okay. Hey viewer, what's up? I'm writing some Web3 code right now, front end JavaScript. Alrighty. So let so wait, we already have a signer. Oh wait, so we need to let um contract signer equals signer dot uh oh wait, equals this thing, but we have to do with signer. Okay. New, okay. Yeah. So let const okay. Contract signer. Okay. Okay, but helpers um signer object. Okay, so instead of signer, we want a signer object, right? Signer signer object. Okay. So yeah, definitely for that. Definitely for that. Excuse me. Control Z. Okay, so this one is already gone, right? So instead of forum contract equals, okay, so forum contract, okay, place, okay, okay, um, place, 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 okay, so, okay, let's just save this and see if it works. Activate content, doesn't work. Wonder what's happening. Oh, I don't hold talk tokens. Oh, I've already voted on this post. But this one's, that's odd. Okay. Oh. Huh. Huh. Helpers JS 270. So what you're saying is I need to go here and find a user can't vote on you're the post owner. Okay. Well, are there any other posts? It seems to be activated. What about? Okay. So it does work the way that I thought it would seem. Because what we're doing is constant equals new. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, because we don't want to have to create a new contract instance for every single time yeah, we just kind of want to have the contract thing in existence, right? Hmm. Alright, 1 hour of content, baby! Woo! Okay. Um. So. Alright, so what we actually want to do is. Okay. So this is what's actually happening. Is there's a lead provider and then provider by default equals this thing. do all this searching and then. So then, okay, when it's all said and done, I think I have some form viewer here. Viewer. Hey yo, content people, YouTube, what's up? 300 subscriber special. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Okay. Oh wow, check this out. So it's like a city, but it's like in water, but it's floating. This is pretty surreal. Alright, I like this though. It's kind of like the Kowloon walled city, but imagine it's a raft. Wow. How about a storage unit people live in nearby a busy airport? Uh, da 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 da. Go on. Okay, and then in display content, instead of the provider, we have the form viewer. Forum viewer. Okay. Oh, form contract view. Form contract view. Okay. And we replace that with form viewer. Yep. Okay. We can do, get rid of this thing. Okay. Wait, enable logo. Form contract, current post. Wait, load content. Form viewer. Provider. Okay, let's see if this works. No. Doesn't work. Oh, it does work. No. Okay. Oh. Alright, now it's Fluffy Bird, 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 Fluffy Bird. Yes. Woo. What? Okay. Okay. Ethers. Okay. 1, 2, that's what it's supposed to be if it works. As long as there's not anything inside of this. Okay. So then now we can change it to display content. Helpers. Okay. Um, Export. Async function. Export. Okay, display content is now here. We've deleted it here. But now we say display content. Um, Shift. Dot / helpers. What? Display content. What? Index 53. Enable algo is not defined at helpers 365. Helpers 365. Okay. Await enable algo. Oh man. All right. Well, it was worth a shot. Although we didn't make it. All right. Hi. What am I doing? Oh, someone asked me that. What am I doing? I am working on my website. It's a Web3 social media website. I don't know when you said that. When did you say that? When did he say that? Oh, did he just pop in? Concurrent viewers one? No. Why does it not give me a time? What at what time did he say this? All right. What am I doing? I'm doing this. Doing look at, isn't it? You're trying to find things out too. All right. So oh, cause I have a the enable algo is in a different thing. So you can't work with the other stuff. That makes sense. Okay. Um, I will say it would make sense to move this thing down to the bottom. Let's see if this still works. Okay, yeah, site is still working. Need help? Nope, nope. I'm just basically kind of doing I mean, unless you have any like critiques on this interface, I'm pretty good as far as just moving stuff around, trying to make it a little bit cleaner code to read, I guess. Um, Nothing too exciting. Um, okay, this. All right, but I want to turn this into an async function, right? The thing is, it's got it. You have a good domain name? Yeah, I know, dude. Thanks. It was not a cheap domain, but I hope it's able to carry. Uh, yeah, it's like oh, like you talk on. It's just the great best name for this kind of website, you know. I try to make it simple. All right. Yeah, I'm launching a token. I don't know if you're a crypto guy, but in January, if you're trying to be an early investor, there's something called Pink Sale, which is like, oh, let me pull up Pink Sale. It's an unintentionally hilarious site. So, uh, what I mean by that is that it's just like a financial website. Like, you go here, it does serious stuff. You need to redesign homepage for what? Try Tailwind or Bootstrap. Like, what specific is it about it? Because it seems like it's just like simple. Um, like it's just kind of designed to be timeless. Let's see, Tailwind, and so Tailwind is just a better version of CSS. Components, yeah, I've never see the thing is I never understood exactly what components do because it's like they just write help you write JavaScript. I just generally just write vanilla JavaScript. All right, so what is the difference between Tailwind CSS and regular CSS? Okay, so it doesn't provide predefined classes for things like buttons and tables, but I use that stuff all the time. Utility mixing and matching. What in the world? This seems like more complicated than CSS. All right, Bootstrap. Is that CSS as well? Bootstrap versus CSS. Okay. See, compiled CSS. You can see just deliver. Okay. Hello, people. Oh, we got 2 concurrent viewers. Whoop whoop. Okay, I'm looking at Bootstrap CSS. Let's see some examples. Um, sure. This is what it does. What's so special about this? Why is this a better interface than what I already have? Bootstrap's better and easier to learn. Yeah, I just don't understand the importance of uh like how exactly does it help? Like it seems like CSS, JavaScript, HTML, it just seems so simple to me. And I don't really know how portable and how long lasting and like version control, like it just seems to complicate things when you start using these front end frameworks. All right, so Pink Sale, an unintentionally hilarious site. You can fill in all this stuff, right? Lots of different actually serious stuff you can do. This is the current like live. Look at this. Like just the names on these stuff. This stuff is hilarious. All right. So Grokbot, like everything's Grok now, right now. Okay. So this is current pre-sales. Let's do one. Let's look at one that's upcoming. Okay. Like you add it on your HTML head tag. What CDN is actually, and you won't need CSS anymore. Do everything with Bootstrap. Okay. I just don't understand why CSS is better than, or to what if I already have CSS, why does what makes the site better just because it's using Tailwind? If I already know basic CSS, why would I bother to learn something that's everything that's new? All right. Oh, we actually have an Arbitrum token. That's interesting. So these are all just like fun stuff. All right. Chain Ethereum. Bernie Golden Zen. Reduces your time waste. That's what ChatGPT reduces my time waste. You do something with this. 2 steps. It's 5 minutes. Huh. I just don't have that much. I just feel like CSS doesn't take up that much amount of my time. Because with ChatGPT, I can just be like, okay, I want this to do this. It's able to read my file. Um, None of these have funny names. None of these are even like. They're all. Wait, hang on. None of these are in progress. Hang on. All right. So I got into Baby Froge earlier. That was like, this is the first time I ever used this site. Let me get into Baby Froge. It's exciting. Soft Heart. Okay, this is a Betago. What is Xbit? Oh, this is okay. I see. So yeah, these manual listings kind of freak me out. I guess maybe they're a little bit cheaper. gas wise. But then, the best part about the site is the leaderboard right here. Check this out. They got Ethereum, like Grok, all this stuff, and you get to see all the last week's stuff. So like, I just check out this Percocet Pepe view pool, pull up the chart, and rug pull. This is what you call a good old fashioned rug pull right there. Percocet Pepe. No, wait. And so Percocet Pepe was. Okay, wait. Let me see. That was that's a lot of ETH for it to do, and it seemed like it was audited and KYC'd, but somehow it still was able to rug. Did it? 73 people got rugged. Well, raised a lot. Fast tracked. 30% pre-sale discount. Okay, so you had to know. You had to know this was gonna rug pull. When I don't even know how they were able to do this, because I thought you had to do 51% of your tokens for pre-sale, but there's 420 trillion of this token, and then they only put up like half of it. So then the people running it just sold the other half. And it went to zero. So yeah, let me look a little bit further back. So let's see. Let's look at. I want to just look at ETH stuff. Subway. Let's look at Subway. Let's see if that one. Okay, wait. Huh. Dorku. I bet this one rug pulled. So if it didn't get to its full thing, does that mean it rug pulled? And like I'm only trying to get it like up to here. Meme ETF. Let me get this one. All right, let's see.
Oh, welcome back, Crypto Goats. We are going to be diving down into what is known as Meme ETF. We're talking about meme plus ETF equals Valhalla. They have a massive fair launch, which is about to get started. There's a
Is this a
possibility
big
that you
channel?
are
Whose
right,
channel is
and
this?
there is no. Oh, welcome back, Crypto.
That is a pretty big channel. Oh. Okay. I only use YouTube, dude. Yeah. Um. Yeah. I've just never been a Twitch person. Okay. So that's what this is. Let's see if Dorku launched. Oh, looks like it basically rug pulled. Is that what I'm seeing here? We went up. What's its market cap? 6,000. Yeah. Okay, Dorku rug pulled. That kind of looks like Andrew Tate, I guess. Andrew Tate's kind of a dead meme right now, isn't it? So this raised 100 ETH. Outside 100. So this seems to be a pretty healthy guy. Wow. You can try. You'd be a nice Twitcher. Out teaching code or something. Yeah, that'd be cool. I guess maybe it's easier to get like followers on Twitch or something. Yep. Some AI coding or something. Or token launches. So this raised 14 ETF. Oh, and a rug pulled. Man, a lot of these rug pull, don't they? So I guess you have to look at what the let's see. Oh, so basically if the supply is way bigger than the amount they're offering, then it's gonna rug pull. It's basically a guarantee. Okay. So I tried it. I don't even know how they get their liquidity percent below 40%. That doesn't even make sense to me. So some of these. All right, wait. What would I bought into? Wait, we're live right now. This thing's. Wait. On chain. Wait. Normally I'd leave this error, but what I see is you're happy and I love to watch. All right. Yeah. Cool. I'm just hanging out, really. Um, I just like looking at like, just the very concept of this site is funny to me. All right. And okay, because what's wait, let me look at what I'm. All right, in progress. So this is like a better one it because all the tokens like this, basically a limited number of the tokens are in like the hands, so they can't really rug pull. Like if they have a bunch of the tokens, then they can just rug pull. So percentage wise, they only have like 4 million of these tokens. So, yeah, Burak O2 again. You're welcome to you're welcome to watch as long as you want, and I think it helps out my analytics. If you like, even if you just like left your device like on, turn the volume off, just walked away, I think I technically get like viewer minutes for it. So yeah, appreciate what you're doing for me right now. So the initial, okay, they have an initial market cap estimate. Oh, okay, so it starts off with 20K initial market cap. Okay. Long liquidity lockup, like this thing's all good. Safu audit KYC. So how does it pass the audit if it doesn't have like if I guess that's part of the launch, I guess not part of the audit. But huh, okay. So let's look at one of these ones that succeeded. All right. So Ethereum. Yo, new guy in the chat. All right. Dom Dev. I made this project in 2 hours, but I think you should buy it because I need some money before I need an iPhone and notes subscription needs to be paid. Man, what do I look like? All right. I ain't gonna do that. Squid Game. How many dang Squid Games tokens there I gotta be? All right. Let's look at Sonic Inu. I wonder if this one panned out well. Sonic Inu. Okay. So I'm going to look at this information and see, based on this information, did it pan out well? Well, no, because it looks like over half of the tokens are not as part of the original thing. So without even telling, oh man, base team does not miss this Sonic. Yeah, I'm going to guess this rug pulled. Hard to tell. 92,000. Okay, it actually looks like this managed to have not rug pulled, or maybe it's about to rug pull. That's kind of what it looks like, is that it's about to rug pull. Because what's their lockup period? Liquidity percentage, listing rate, soft cap, hard cap, lockup, 97. I mean, wait, are they estimated initial thing? Unsold tokens pre-sale listing on liquidity percentage. Yeah, these are all coins that exist. So yeah, they're like all coins that are like new. Like this is a launch pad. So basically, the way it works is like you and the boys get together on this thing, and then you deploy on Uniswap, and then people on Uniswap start buying it, and then that's how you get to go to the moon. Okay, well, let's look at this week. All right, Metabot, because like the ones from the most recent weeks. Ooh, Zhao Venci. All right, I like this one. All right, we got. Oh, it's a BNB one though. I don't want to. I don't want to acknowledge the BNB chain right now. All right, 0x futures bot. Okay, 100. Okay. So sale ended. They were trying to. They had a soft. Looks like there was a. They were a fair trade or something. Fair. Would I make money if I join? Like really money? Oh, join my thing? Yeah. Join any of these things? No. Like, I've never used. I have like a token that like actually relates to this website. It has a functionality. It's like Reddit, except for the amount of points total in the network is the same as the amount of tokens, and it's just like a fixed token supply. All these are like weird, weird things. Like first ever zero, they're like just trying to all be different, but they're all the same. Like they're just hyping things up. All right. Anyway, so it's been audited. Okay. So only a 10 million supply, but then I'm gonna guess this rugged because half the supply was not in this. All right, let's see what happened. Oh, okay. Yeah, 8,000. Yeah, this is kind of what you would call a rug pull. Yeah, 0x futures bot didn't actually have a future. Because it raised, how much did it raise? 25 ETH and now it's at zero? Unbelievable, really. All right. I guess there's a lot of scams on this site or something. So hopefully Baby Froge does not end up like 0x futures bot fair launch. Fair launches I think are sus though. But all right. Let's go on Ethereum. Let's go this week. Oracle Layer 2, Oasis Metaverse. Ooh, let's look at this mini. No, I can tell just by the name of that. All right, so which do you think out of these three? Let's see which one of these has the highest current market cap. And all right. So we got these three. Number one, Speedster Bucks. It's a fair launch. Okay, and like almost none of the supply. This is almost a guaranteed launch, or excuse me, guaranteed rug pull. The raise 3 ETH. Okay, so that means that. Okay, so they would only have like 3,000 market cap. Oh wow, so huh, interesting. It looks like maybe they had their like Dex launch be like way higher. So sometimes like the first sale goes right here. So basically, if someone's buying right here, or they sell the liquidity provider somehow. Point being, I guess this is technically a successful project, but it also looks like a rug pull. Maybe it was too recently. I'm from North Carolina in the United States. And how old? Jeez, buddy. What are you? Me? Oh man. I'm quarter century of age. All right. Let's see. Okay, so this has a better like supply dynamic. Like, um, I would say that this one is less likely to have rug pulled. Just asking. All right. So actually, this one did not do as well. So I guess my assumption is wrong. I guess because this one rug pulled despite it having a, I guess I didn't look at like the lockup period, 40%, 70. Hmm. And all right, mini Smurf cat with the Russian guy. This has got to be completely zeroed. 11 ETH. That's going to be like 22,000. And it went down here. So this is rug pull because it's a Russian guy. All right, audit KYC. And it was still a rug pull. Audit KYC. All right, thanks for sticking around, Burak Okujen, however you say your name. By Turkish Beast. I guess you're Turkish. I don't know, or maybe that's offensive to call you Turkish. I don't know. Good luck out there. Alrighty. Pikachu Inu. Hmm. Yeah, I like the Turkish. They seem to be into blockchain stuff. Alrighty. Turkish. I feel like a lot of turkeys don't live in Turkey though. They live in Europe or something. All right. If you're in Turkey right now, that's pretty lit. All right. Speedster bucks. Hmm. Alrighty. Let's see. Xvert. Oh my! Look at this. At 800 Ethereum. That's a lot. So did a fair launch? Okay. Did it almost seems like it almost has to a rug pull just because of how big it is. No. So it launched at, where is it at? So it's at 3 million now. When it, okay, 806. That's like 1.6 million in market cap total. So hmm. Okay. Resale. Okay, it seems like I would have rug pulled. These guys must have had some serious funding behind them. Burnt. Burning the tokens. It's always interesting. Alright. Hmm. Chimps. Hmm. Promethean. Augie Inu. Exactly. Let's see. Safe looter. Hmm. Pumpkin. I like that. Behind that. Wife Doge? Yeah. Gotta get into that. Cyber Doge. Hmm. Null Social Finance. That's interesting. Alright. Let's look at this. Augie Inu. Alright, let's look at this. So, yep, based on that, looks like they rug pulled because more bunch of their supply. Um, I feel like it should say like, wow, they had a soft cap at 75 and they had a hard cap at 100 and they got it. Wow, and they just burnt a bunch of tokens. Okay, so that's not a big deal. Wait, so how many did they burn? Hmm. Okay, well, let's see. See if Augie Eno, how it's doing. 2 million market cap. So we still got 2 million chilling in. Okay. Well, that's how much they raised, right? 100 ETH is roughly 2 million. No, 100 ETH is 200,000. Hmm. So this 10x? Is that what I'm seeing? So this thing started off at. Hmm. Wrapped ETH. Alright. Safe lunar fair launch. 6 ETH. Wow, they were trying to raise only 3. Self cap, and then they just goes huge. Wow. So they just got way more funding than they had any right to. Okay. Douglas for pre-sale. Okay. Safe lunar. I'm kind of liking this. I think that they probably did pretty well for themselves, right? It kind of looks like a rug pull. Hard to say. 16,000 market cap. Okay. Yeah, that is a rug pull. It seems like this doesn't have complete information, right? Buyback, contribute, unsold token. Hmm. Hmm. Since I added it, I don't think it even worked. Let me see something. Transactions. Send. What? Oh, yeah, 200.1. 1134. Guys, I'm in Baby Froge. Bye. This is financial advice. Alright. Pumpkin. Okay, we 37 ETH, that's roughly 600,000. Okay. Pump. Oh. 19,000. So, shoo. Yeah. I mean, lots of rug pulls, huh? Normal social finance. So this is 9. So did it rug or what? No. Didn't really get much behind it, did it? Alright. Pikachu Inu. What? That thing definitely got destroyed. Sonic Inu meme ETF destroyed. Alright. Subway fair launch. 100 ETH. Wow. So 100 ETH. 200 ETH. Something like this. So it basically zoomed up and then a bunch of people sold it. Dorku. Hmm. That's cool. Video. Yeah, a storage container people live in. That's pretty nice. That's cool. Hold on, some dude said he subscribed. Let me check. Do I have 300 subscribers on YouTube now? This guy, he subscribed. Cool guy. Look at my channel. 301 subscribers! Hey! Wow. Cool. Alright, this kind of stuff. Something doesn't look right when I do that, like I hope it's not like reloading all the content, right? Because when I press, basically what I'm doing is, it's like, oh, I'm clicking this, right? If it's a clickable reply, it gets that. And just changes some CSS around. No problem. People refuse to say what they don't like about my interface. Okay, so this is what I think it should look like. And in theory, that is actually a good website. Like, you'd be like, oh, this is a decentralized community. Hmm. UI UX just seems to be basic. No need to overcomplicate it. Yeah, I mean, I've got lazy loading. Like, that's no problem. Mobile first. Design, accessibility, dark mode. That's nothing I don't have. Okay. Okay, visualize it. Visualize it. Don't visualize it. Visualize it. Right. Happy train. Okay. Looks like a rug pull to me. Liquidity unlock time in 5 months. $5,000 market cap from the rug for 22,000. Well, wait a minute. All right, so I kind of want to go back and look at like. All right, so how many of these actually had like devs that had like, did the 0x Futures bot have a good background or no? Like, just an audit. He didn't have the SAFU, didn't have any of that in 10 months. So liquidity isn't even unlocked yet? Huh. Let's look at, alright, so chain, Ethereum, filter by, in progress, full type, pre-sale. Okay, roar. Sale ends in 3 days, 90%. Oh man, look at this lockup time. Way too many days. 365 over here. You got Banana Cat. Progress 0. Sale ends in 38 days. So, I mean, nobody's using this pre-sale. What about any of these upcoming following my sort of thing? Okay, all right. Oh, this one says, all right. So this one's Grokbot. I mean, this one just seems like an all-around great project. This Grokbot, right? Fair launch. See, this is all fair launch though. I don't necessarily want a fair launch. I don't necessarily want a fair launch, buddy. All right. So we want upcoming that has a hard cap. And it's audit, KYC. None of these are SAFU. Orbitech, that's way too much. Oh man. Okay. Upcoming. No filter. So Grokbot's upcoming. 365 days. But it's a fair launch. Okay. That's cool. Grokbot. Alright. That's cool. Grokbot. So let's see. The X protocol. Fair launch. So they were going for 30 and then they got way more. So about how many? 678 total contributors. But this is basically guaranteed to get rug pulled. Because it's the total supply is so much more. Powered by Microsoft? Sure, buddy. This is a guaranteed rug pull. Oh, man. Alright, let's get on the Ethereum chain. Wait, let's see if there's any current pre-sales for AVAX. Chain, AVAX, current pre-sales. Down soft hard, okay. Upcoming. Okay. This is interesting. In progress. In progress. No. Hold on, Ethereum. Okay. Wow. Maybe. Eek. Yeah, but that's not functional. That doesn't serve the specific purpose. People are just like, oh, people prioritize looks over function, I think. Which is not something you can do on your app. You know, you can do that on an actual website. I understand there's probably some more advanced kind of stuff. Some really cool CSS component sort of deals. But we're all one side. It's all going together, you know, so Grok CEO. Okay. In progress. So there's soft hard, soft hard. Okay, so 51. Okay, so this is one that's interesting. Like, okay. Current views. Alright. Huh. Grok, baby. Huh. Well, time to drink a bunch of water. The little guy. Water bottle. Did he pluck the petals? What does that have to do with anything? What? I don't think this story makes sense. All right. Did have me hooked though. So looks like ChatGPT 4 now supports Turbo. That's good.